Just did an unboxing video for the Tomica Premium Skyline box set. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And today let's unbox the Tomica Nissan GTR 50 Anniversary box set. This was released last month in Japan. Sorry if I can't unbox this sooner because I was unwell and busy with my day job. For collectors who already own this set, let me know what you think as well and comment below. Unlike the premium version, this Skyline GTR comes in matte finish and I think the box design is awesome. Behind you can see the 4 GTR models, starting with the nostalgic 2000 GTR, the R32, the 50 Anniversary R35, and also the latest GTR Nismo 2020 model. When flipped open, just like the Tomica Premium, you cannot see the casting and also a short history on the Nissan GTR. Let's begin with the 2000 GTR. This casting doesn't have an opening features with only a standard Tomica suspension. I'm really impressed with the front of this casting. It's very nice. The headlights are plastic inserts instead of painted, and that's a bonus. Body color in maroon is very nostalgic and suitable for the era. At an irregular scale in 1:60, it's slightly a tad bigger than your usual 1:64. Next is the GTR R32 model. Very beautiful paint job in blue. The body color looks very premium and is awesome. I guess I may have one or two other models of the R32. I guess it's the Tomica event model, but this particular R32 really gives me a premium feel. It features a standard Tomica suspension with opening doors, and that's awesome. Although not much details, the details are intricate and overall a very nice body color. Next is the 20th Anniversary R35 model. Tomica has did countless variants of this R35 model, but this particular casting stands out among the rest. Very nice body color in pearl white, standard factory suspension with opening doors, and also the 50th Anniversary printed on the rear below the logo. Overall, it's a pretty huge casting given that the scale is 1:62. Lastly is the R35 Nismo 2020 model. Similar to the impressive Mainline that is released alongside with this casting, I really like this color in red and the gun metallic on the roof. Although it does not have any opening parts, I really like the overall aesthetic of this R35 and also the Nismo treatment on this casting. This R35 really pairs well alongside with the Mainline and the first color in black. Tomica has released a number of Skyline for 2019, and I consider this box set is a better release by Tomica with all the impressive castings. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!